If equipped, the Forward Collision Warning System, or FCW, provides the driver with audible and visual warnings through the instrument cluster. You may also experience a brake jerk warning if a possible frontal collision is detected. These warnings are intended to give you enough time to react and hopefully prevent a collision altogether. If no action is taken, the system can provide limited braking to avoid or mitigate a forward collision. If a possible forward collision is detected while towing a trailer, the integrated trailer brake controller will apply the trailer brakes if equipped. If a forward collision is no longer probable, the warning deactivates. Other objects, like guardrails or signposts, can trigger these warnings too, especially when driving on a curve. This is normal FCW function. Remember, FCW is not designed to avoid a collision on its own, and it can't detect every possible type of collision. The driver has the responsibility to avoid a collision by braking and steering. You can turn the system on or off using your touchscreen. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.